So we are bringing here to Sheiameen Stone Fair 17 Brazilian natural stone companies. We are bringing from quartzites to marbles and granites. I think the Chinese market is amazing because you love colors, and Brazil has more than 1,000 types of colors. So I think it's the best match to have the Chinese market. I see a great future for China. I believe we're going to have a growing market for Brazil. So I truly believe that we're going to have a growing relationship to have more business and more long-term business deals.
As we believe, the China market will grow in the next coming years, and the demand for the luxury in the China market is growing also. So we are confident about Chinese market future for our stones. That's why we are coming here to promote our materials to the China market, to the all Chinese society.